What's up with your tongue, sis? Ooh, who's that? Who's that? Ooh, here. Who's this right here? Say hi. Give her a kiss. Go. Mwah. Go. Mwah. You've got boots? Yeah? Oh boy. It's the scream. Aubrey, look. Aubrey, look. Aubrey, Lily, look at your sister. Call your sister. Say, Aubrey. Uh-oh, she found the TV again. She's zonked out there. Hey, you! Hi, Aubrey. Oh, shit. I'm gonna go play on these cushions, guys. Ta-da! Whoa! You're very proud of yourself. Yeah? You like sitting here? And I like to scoot off too. Whoa! Ta-da! Ta-da! Yay! You found a creature! It's a furry, fishy mermaid thingy. We don't know. We'll call it a furry fishy then. I have no idea what it is. Whoa! Ta-da! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Whoa. She sees bubble guppies then. Uh-oh. You gonna go for sis?
Yeah. Open the door. It's coming. Uh-oh. There, furry cave.
Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Hey. This is how often we turn the TV on. So what's that up there? Is that a TV? What's what? What? Yee! Oh, yep. You want to give your dog a kiss? You and your doggy both have blue eyes. Zoned out preschooler with beautiful eyes. Oh, I love this face. Look at this beautiful face. See if Ethan does beautiful faces. Make a face at mama. Ethan, go like this. Go. Make a face. That's you? There you go. You want to come down here and play with your siblings? You want to come down here? Yeah. What? What do you need? He's sorry. Yeah. That's his pretty blue eyes. His pretty blue eyes. What's up? Whoa. Okay. And then I need this. And let's go. You got your doggy? Yeah? Hee hee.